one, we're going to find the values of sine of 2 alpha, cosine of 2 alpha, tan of 2 alpha, given that cosine of alpha equals 2 divided by square root of 5. Also, our angle alpha is in quadrant 4. We're actually not using the sum and difference. I shouldn't have written that. We're actually using double angle formulas. All right. So the only thing we need to know when we're using our double angles is we need to find sine of alpha. So we can just use the Pythagorean theorem. If we have cosine of alpha equals 2 divided by square root of 5, that means our x is 2 and our square root of 5 is r. So if we have x squared plus y squared equals r squared, then we're going to have 2 squared, which is 4, plus y squared equals 5. Therefore, y squared equals 1, or y equals plus or minus 1. Since we're in quadrant 4, this is going to be negative 1. So our y is actually negative 1. And that's going to be negative 1 divided by your radius, which is square root of 5. If you rationalize the denominator, this would give you sine of alpha equals negative square root of 5 divided by 5. And then from here, you just follow the formulas. The sine one's pretty easy. Sine of 2 theta is going to be 2 times negative square root of 5 divided by 5. And cosine was what? 2 divided by square root of 5. All right, so what happens is these two cancel out. 2 times 2 is 4, so that gives you negative 4 divided by 5. So there's that one. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to erase some of this real quick. All right. Cosine of 2 theta. Now, we've got 3 formulas for that. And I think the easiest one to use, since we already have cosine, and we might have messed up on sine, so we know that cosine's not messed up. Let's use this one. So that's going to equal 2 cosine squared. So cosine is going to be 2 divided by square root of 5 squared minus 1. This is going to equal 2 times 4 divided by 5 minus 1. And this is going to equal 3/5. Now the tan of 2 theta, or 2 alpha, instead of using the formula here, since we already had to do sine and cosine, we know that this is going to be sine of 2 alpha divided by cosine of 2 alpha. So this is just going to equal negative 4/5 divided by 3/5. And then the 5's cancel, so this all is going to equal negative 4/3 for this one. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.